Next, we're going to use the edge loops to cut out some hair. We're going to select the head, and I'm going to hold down Alt and drag so that I go to orthographic view. I'm going to click on the Y up here, just to make sure I'm looking at him from the front. I'm then going to press the Tab key, and I'm going to go to the Loop Cut tool and apply an edge loop and drag it up. That can be the top of his hair. Next, I'm going to move so that the yellow edge loop tool appears here vertically. I'm going to click and drag to the left, and that can now be the side of his hair. And I'm going to click and drag to the right, and that can be the other side of his hair. I'm then going to click here in the middle and drag up so that I can cut his hair off, probably about there. My plan is for this face, this face, this face, this face, and this face to be his hair. I'm going to come over here and click on the plus button to make a new color underneath the skin color. I'm going to click new, and I'm going to make the base color a dark brown. I'm going to double click on the word material, and I'm going to call it hair and hit enter. Now I'm going to click assign. Then if I press tab, it'll bring me back to object mode, and you can see I've got my hair. Now we need to apply the hair all around the back of his head and on top of his head. I'm going to click on him, press tab, and select the faces of the hair all around the back of his head. And then I'm going to come over here, click on hair and click assign. Then I'm going to press tab, and I forgot to do the top of his hair. Click on hair and assign. Tab. Now my Minecraft character has hair.